Hey my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another story time. You guys apparently loved my last story time. I'm glad I did like it, you know, just being real. But today I'm gonna tell you guys about another experience that I had. It's gonna be a story about that time I almost got picked, robbed. Him that try pickpocket me. I don't know what you call it, so yeah, that one time. As usual, before I get into the story, I want you guys to go ahead, hit that thumbs up button before I even start. Cause that one I did a drama, so I'm not gonna lie yo. Like up the video, share up the video, and also hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, alright?
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
In my kidnapping video, I specifically stated in the title, Jamaica is not a real place. And some people they get all up in them feelings. Or you ever said that? Or you ever said that about the place where you live? And Jamaica's beautiful, and even people when I friggin' live here, they have the most to say. But listen, when I say how I feel about something, as some I feel, when I take about my talk, when I really say things where I not mean, right? So if I say what I said what I said for a reason. You love your country, and if your country love your back, that's wonderful. But this is a country that doesn't really love back. It's people, right? You love your country, but your country don't love you. Are those facts, okay? And there is going to be another video after this one that I'm going to film. I'm going to be addressing some of the stuff that has been happening, because if you follow up social media, you will see that on the daily, the type of things that happen in this place, not normal. And I think it's still beautiful that people have this grand imagery of Jamaica in their mind, and y'all can keep that image, right? When you don't experience it from day to day like everybody else, that's fine. Keep that image. It's a lovely place. It's very beautiful. But let me tell you, for locals, it's not the same. It's not the same, okay? So yeah, when I said that, people didn't want to get up into them feelings and oh, you ever said that about your country? Like, bro, like I speak from experience. I'm not company to come talk, not the way I'm go through myself. You understand? I don't see the point in that. I can't tell you something or tell you about something that I myself have not gone through, right? That don't make no sense. He's not an insane person. So today I'm gonna tell you guys about that one time I almost got picked. My mind I forgot to say robbed in at the title, but you know, whatever. Let's get into this story. Alright, so this was about 2015. At the time I was in uni, Medaga UTech. I still lived in Kingston, but I rented a place in Papine. So I would be staying in Papine sometime, and then sometime I make a try to come down on like the weekend. So on a Friday, I couldn't wait for a Friday, you know, you pack up a little things, them jump on a country bus. That would have been the vibe on a Friday. Boom. But if you know anything about downtown Kingston, you know say it's a place where you just run through. You know, for each you for just, you know, go through. Before I go further, I also want to say I'm very proud of myself, because I can safely say I have never been robbed or picked going through downtown. And that's happened to a lot of people that I know. And one of the reasons why it not happened to me is because I walk fast, and downtown Kingston taught me to walk fast. So people will see me in public and say, Lord God, but you want to call to you, but because you walk so like you're a mad man, I never get for call to you. Downtown taught me that. The quicker you move and the faster you get out, the easier it is for you to walk away with all your stuff. Now, if you know nothing about downtown, you know, you're not go downtown with jewelry. You're not go downtown with nothing will look like gold, where them can't sell for cash for gold. No silver, no bling, no nothing, no watch, no nothing. Take it off and put it in your bag. If y'all don't know that now, I am telling you. And sometimes people forget, but let me tell you, it's the second I know say I go downtown, as I'm touching at the taxi, even before I'm going in the taxi, because sometimes I in there so the bad this go on. So before I even leave, which from them, I say, alright, I know I go downtown now, take off my watch, I take out my everything where just look too blingy. And I'm never a flashy person, so it's not even, but the men tell them me pop off your neck for the simplest of things. And so from it look like they can get money from it, they will literally just rip it off. So what I do, I take off everything. So I don't know, I go downtown, I do man time, boom. So I pack up my stuff them now, jump on a taxi from Papine to downtown now, say, you know, ready. So anybody knows the rural bus park now, you have to walk from Big Tree up Orange Street, so go all the way down to the rural bus park. The rural bus park is a bus park where Coronation Market is, right? Down there, so that's where the Mobile bus, the Mandeville, Maypen, all of them bus, the Olaba, all the side there. You understand? You have to go in the bus part there if you're going to take public transport for go. What at? West. I have a tendency when I come off of the taxi, I just start look. Remember, I know this is 2015. This is even before my kidnapping incident. So I just somebody always stay. So I come off of the taxi, you know, I look, I scope out which part I go walk out. I look for the path with the less people coming and like walk through a bag of crowd. So I look for the path that has less persons and you know my path, I chart out my path where I go walk. Some do it. So that's how I'm able to just go through. This is me. Going through crowd. That's me. So I walk, so when I reach Big Tree and I go down Panda Street there where them sell the bag of things them. And you know, say a Friday. On a Friday, downtown is packed with people. It's packed on the regular, but it's in a Friday, Saturday, packed. See? So I expect this, I anticipate all of this. So I know say, alright, grip up. At the time, I had on a bag that I bought in, where I place the name, oh my god, we're Payless. Where people get it, you know them cloth bag then they have like the pattern them pan them. Bruh, I loved that bag. But the only thing I hated about that bag is the pockets on the front. The flap that goes over doesn't close the section of the pocket all the way. It's just a little buckle like boop. I just lift it up. You understand? So I know I'm not put nothing in there, sir. I'm gonna put my money in there. Nothing I'm gonna put in there. Everything goes inside of the bag. So if you want to go inside of the bag, you have to open up the bag, take off the bag, open up the bag, and go in the bag. And I knew this. So you know I'm not worry. Everything valuable in the bag, down in the bag. So when you're going down on that street, if you even have a little bit of money, you find the need for buy something where you might want it, but you don't need it, you know? Downtown is not the place to go when you have no money. Don't go. Unless you're intentionally going to buy something. But if you're passing through it, just tell yourself you're broke. Tell yourself you don't have no money. So you don't end up spending where you don't want to spend. Because you want the thing, you know? But you just don't want to spend the money. Alright, cool. I am walking. Me I go on with myself. Me I look at myself. I'm looking at something that look nice. But them blows there. Oh God, the slippers over there. So everything that shows. I don't know, downtown is known for being very cheap. So I'm like... why did I come down here? I stopped, I looked at a couple things. I know I never for do it, you know, because I done tell myself, say, look, one, I don't want late, and on a Friday, sometimes if the buses load quickly, you know, must get a bus in time and you probably have to end up a wait. So I'm just like, look here, I don't want to end up here when it get dark. So I know I'm supposed to just go about my business, but you know, you see look one thing catch your eye, this and it cheap. And at the time I was very big on buying cheap stuff for filming. I wear them anyway, but mostly to film in. Like little cheap top them would look cute for you make a look a video them in, because I'm a type of person. It sounds awful, but when I touch the gram in something, I don't want to wear it again. I just summer stay. I filmed another video today, I'm come change my clothes, but I just not like it. To each his own, but I just don't like it. I just summer stay. See, I look at one thing here and there, and I'm just like, alright, cool, focus, let's go. Me I walk fast, and me I go through the crowd, and there was this dude who just every time I just see the brother. In at the moment, it's downtown, everybody's going about their business. So I just consider that he was somebody traveling through the crowd like me. But then I realized all of this never play back on me until I realized after it happened. In the midst, I just thought I was losing my mind. I passed the mothers, I go down to the other intersection there. Right down on the stretch, them usually have like shoes and blouse and them little thing that the upper stretch would have more like slippers and them thing there, you know what I mean? Like anybody know downtown know this. I walk past the slippers them, reach the other intersection, reach for them have like the shoes and the pants and the blouse and them look something there. I pass right this one. In the next intersection they sell like underwear and stuff like that, right? Pan a cat. I stop and I pick up two little panty and thing, and you know me I go through me stuff down in my bag. My money I keep on me when me I go through, so that if anything happen and them cut out the bag, them I get my cash, cause me have to move. Every time I buy something, I take out my little money out of my pocket and whatever, you know, stuff the thing down in the bag, move on. Some stuff I buy some underwear, and I felt this dude, like every time I stop, I feel somebody, but it wasn't until after I realized it was always him. I feel somebody I rub up on me, and me as a person, I like when people this. I don't like that. I started to get really aggravated because like, I realized somebody always a rub up on me. Every time I stop, somebody a rub up on me. So I say, what kind of something this? You don't really think nothing of it, you know? And he was always pushing through the crowd. Like he's always pushing through. I mean downtown did pack at this time, full of people. Cause I in the evening, you know them way there? So he might come through, he might push, but I say, you know, he probably just want to get through the crowd like me. Every time I stopped to buy something from someone, I look down. and I see the bag pocket open. And like me say, I know I'm just lucky about the last something I buy, so wide open again. I say nothing I lucky back. I go again, stop again, look again, the bag pocket open. So I say, me delusional, like me say, I know I did lucky, come I say, I know some lock the bag. Like me start feel like me, honestly at the moment I thought I was losing my mind. So me I say, oh, what kind of something this? Stop, I buy some panty, I check my local panty them, and I would have had to check them, make sure they can fit. Cause this might be TMI, but I got a very long butt. So I have to really look at my undies to make sure that them can fit me. So, you know, I stop and look at panty them and thing, and you know, yeah, I got you. Put the panty them in the bag. Me I walk again. One man did there sell some fab, and I remember said me that go down go wash some clothes. So I say, alright, I go grab a fab, right? I stop and me and buy the fab now. The fab, him give me one bag for put the fab in. Remember this, him give me one bag for put the fab in. The man will sell me the fab. Fab is, for all my American people, fab is like soap powder that you use to wash your laundry. So, I buy the fab, put the fab in the scandal bag. I'm gonna have the scandal bag, my bag. I think me did I carry my laptop and clothes in that bag there. Yeah. You see, after I buy the fab, and I don't know what me did I go put in, what me did I go do or put in my bag. I think it was me did get some coins as change. But because I reach on the final little stretch now, right? And the bus park is right there. I say, okay, I go put the local, I think it was like $35. I say, I go put the coins in the pocket. They say, I'm gonna need it for add to my fare when I go up on the bus. Alright, cool. I look down on the pocket. If I open the pocket, but the pocket open already. So I say, now I know say about 2 times now I lock the bag, yeah. So I was really going with me. Something wrong with me, so I start look around. When I finally buy the fab now, you know, so the last little stretch that when I buy the fab, couple steps down is the bus park and the police station. So I walk, I reach at the bus park, I look across, I see this brother look at me. I say, like, I still not think nothing of it. He acted at this point as if he was stopping to buy something from someone. What he did was, he have a scandal bag over his shoulder like so. So when he's rubbing up on you, you would think he's trying to get past you because he have weight, he have things, he have baggage. Me in my mind thinks I push past me the whole time. He's rubbing up on me so that when he opens the bag, I don't feel it. It just feels like somebody's passing. But the whole time, the brother and in my bag, the whole time. And not never in the but I said, bro, are you slow? Like, you never realize that every time. I'm thinking, here's what I think his dilemma was. I think every time he stopped, he never had enough time to figure out if his hand could fit down in my bag. Like, him just never have enough time, because then I would have known. Come here tell us me walk speedy, you know. And when I do a thing, I go bam, 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 I'm gone. So I stay. So I'm gonna linger when it come on to downtown. So I say, I reach out the sub, I say, alright, cool. You know, obviously I try never really successful, so cool. No problem, no worries. I never have nothing in the pocket, I don't lose nothing. I don't say nothing, I look, I see me, alright, cool. Whatever, bro. Have a nice day. I walk gone now. Gone in at the park. And you know, so this brother come in at the bus where me in. In at the bus where me in. And come sit down. Like he want to sit down beside of me. So I'm like, the audacity. Bro, what your problem? I'm not say nothing because I never want. The thing about Jamaican men, let me tell you this. Especially when them are the wrongs, don't you ever point out that you see they're doing a wrong. Because when them ego chip in, them gonna start to, hey girl, this and that and that and that. And I could have bothered with the rustle and the tussle and the bustle with nobody. Because my mouth just, sometimes my mouth just nasty. I don't want to get into it with people on the road. Some of those. I don't say nothing. You want to come in at the bus, alright, come sit down. Maybe you like me. I don't know. Have a seat. And then the drama began. You see, after him come on the bus, the doctor, what did I load? That man was loading from the top of that street come down. Cause you know how them do it. Them walk up on the street and them tell you, Mandeville, me a pen, this, that, whatever. So you can get them, can carry you down and put you up on the bus. But he never got anybody. So my guess, this doctor see me from probably the blow stop, right? Not the fab stop, the blow stop. So it might come down and it might watch, you know, because sometimes when you take buses often enough, they know where you're going, you know, but them not go force you to come on the bus. You understand? So my guess is he knew I was going to Maypen at the time, and he's a Maypen doctor, obviously. So them know the faces. You understand? So he just probably never wanted to prompt me to go on the bus, but the whole time he was watching. And brother man, we are trying thief, never know that. So when him come on the bus, the doctor said,
hey boy, You feel like someone else see what you do? Eh? You feel like some people don't see you? Eh? Loud woman and our things, man. On the too thief, man. On enough people thinks too much, boy. Let go from this, man.
This whole uproar and the whole time, I was sitting there like this. Because I low-key thought I was losing my mind. The doctor knows says all up, kind of the first me I see him. You understand? And I was just chilling, cause me I laugh. I start laugh. Me I laugh, you know. I'ma turn to him, I'ma say, yo, big up yourself, you know. Not the doctor, the guy with the try to eat or something. I say big up yourself, but big up the doctor first, you know. But then I turn to the brother, I'ma say, oh, you're good, you know. Oh, you're so good. But now I ask you, you know, oh, you manage to keep up with me. Good try, but next time, just work on it. I realize say I do a thing, but just work on it. You need to get better at this. But then if you just start, but you need to get better, you're not really, this not work. You understand? Just get a little better.
Oh, me? You see me, I do nothing.
Wait. I'm just like, bro, calm down. Like, you're a whack ass. Like, go and go sit down. Everybody knows say that you did that, because you did make it so friggin' obvious. Every time I stop, the brother stop with me. Like, I'm like, why? Like, why your problem? So anyways, you know, I bless up the doctor, I tell him thanks and thing, because I had already gotten on the bus at this point when they got to come side of me and say, hey, give me away. Like, it's happened to people, don't get me wrong, but I give off an energy sometimes. You know what? You know what, cross the girl here? Like, I feel like him didn't know, but him did just so determined. It's almost like trying to pass an exam, and you know you're this close, and you just want to pass. It was like that. So I know say him really did just feel invested at the time, and him really did want to finish him assignment. But believe me, like, I was not the one. So I'm bless up the doctor now, and the doctor say, yeah man, Empress, big up yourself, I'ma sit down. Apparently this lady never hear when me tell the doctor thanks, and she did in her feelings. At this, so me not gonna get upset now, because I'm just like, bro, why people can't mind them business? Hear this woman.
I said I'm going, man. I said I'm going, I said I'm better than people. She can't even tell the doctor thanks.
Brother, I was hey, it's because they just want to got me yard, but they just pretend to never hear her, which is very hard for me to do. I'm telling you, if you know me in person, you know me not do well with people talking out of turn, bro. Like, if I am minding my business, I feel like you can mind your business too, sis. Like, that never called for. So I turn around, so cause she sit down back at me. I turn around, so I'ma just laugh and turn around and sit down. Cause I'm just like, realize y'all in my work, now work together. Cause obviously when I come to test my faith, that experience really solidified for me what it really means to live in Jamaica. You cannot have nice things, you can't look too flashy, you cannot want to go out and look good. That's the worst thing you could ever do. That I realized. And a lot of people don't know this. I know a lot of persons who have lost phones, they've lost jewelry. My own mother, my mom was going through downtown, and this guy tried to pop the chain off her neck, and him swear same get it. My brother comes to whoop and run off, you know, and comes to nothing. Let me tell you, downtown is a place for thieves. I just had to come and share the story time with you guys. Like, if you live here, these things happen more often than not, and we know this. When Jody the Island Girl, check out her channel, her link is gonna be in the description bar, made that video about getting robbed twice. It reminded me of this story, so I decided I was going to come and share it with you guys. I want to make a video dedicated to the females who live in this country, right? I don't know what I'm going to call it, but I'm going to make it after this video, because I need us to be more aware of the environment that we live in. Honestly, I thought after I made my kidnapping video, it would help more people here to understand where we live and just get it. That's what I thought. But apparently every day I go to places and I still, even though that video went viral, it apparently seems like half the women in Jamaica still have not seen that video. Either them see it and them not care, or they haven't seen it. You know, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put the link in the description bar below. But every woman need to understand the world that we're living in is not a nice one, and it's not very kind to females especially. The best thing for you to do, the best course of action, is just to be very aware of your surroundings at all times for your own safety and the safety of people around you. Don't want to divulge too much into that, because I'm going to make it a separate video. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little story time about that one time this punk ass dude tried to pick my pocket. I still find that shit mad funny, like. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this little story time. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.